There are things in life that we come to depend on. Things that enable us to work, to learn, to grow. That connect us. Things that empower us. To most, they are the staples that make up the everyday. But to Stanley Engineered Fastening, they are so much more. We understand the world wouldn't be the same without them. That's why to us, the detail is everything. Decades of expertise means that we're able to provide innovative fastening solutions, technologies that hold together our world. Partnering early with our customers in the design phase, we develop solutions engineered specifically for their needs. Where safety is paramount, we ensure ultimate reliability, protecting what matters most. Always delivering the best solutions via our total systems approach. Our reach is global, but our approach is personal. At Stanley Engineered Fastening, it is our mission to provide a best-in-class customer experience, using precision to enable those who make the world. Because sometimes, it's what you don't see that delivers the biggest impact.